Hello kids, in today's video we are going to write English counting from 1 to 100. So let's start. The first number in the counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 kids, 40. Repeat after me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. This is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, this is 57, 58, 59, 59, 60, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80 kids, 80. Now 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90 is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100. So we have completed our counting kids. I hope you like it. Bye.